If I only had 3 minutes with you, enough time to plant one seed, that seed would be this: stop explaining yourself to people who never asked you to grow. Over explaining is not clarity, it's often a hidden form of seeking approval. We explain our decisions, we justify our boundaries, we defend our choices, we soften our truth so others feel comfortable with it. Why? Because somewhere along the way we learn to believe that confidence must be validated, that if people don't understand us we must convince them, that if someone questions us we owe them an explanation. But confidence doesn't ask for permission, confidence doesn't rush to defend itself, confidence doesn't argue for its right to exist, confidence simply decides and moves forward. You don't need everyone to understand your path, you need to stay aligned with it. The moment you stop explaining everything, you reclaim something powerful: your authority over your own life. Because explanations often come from discomfort, from the fear of being misunderstood, from the desire to avoid judgment. But growth requires tolerating misunderstanding. Not everyone will see your reason, not everyone will argue with your boundaries, not everyone will like the changes you make, and that's okay. You are not here to manage perceptions, you are here to build a life that reflects who you are becoming. Every unnecessary explanation leaks energy, every quiet decision strengthens identity. You can be respectful without being defensive, you can be kind without abandoning clarity. You can say, "This is what I have chosen," without writing a paragraph to justify it. Strong people communicate simply. They don't negotiate their values to avoid discomfort. So today, practice this. Say what you mean. Do what aligns. Let silence handle the rest. Not everything requires a defense. Not every choice needs an audience. Not every decision needs approval. Stand firm in what you know is right for you, even if others don't immediately understand. Let your actions speak longer than your explanations. Let consistency replace justification. Let confidence be visible in how calmly you move forward, because the more you trust yourself, the less you feel the need to convince others. And that is when real confidence begins. Not when everyone agrees with you, but when you no longer need to them. Thank you for being here.